Hey, hi, how are y'all? Do you have any physical or emotional problems which is disturbing you in your life? Are you still looking for the root level cure of the problems? Okay, this is Mumtaz, God gifted serving soul. The founder of Healing Heaven Global would like to announce that we have started the online healing sessions. We conduct powerful, advanced, intensive, effective healing workshops. Do you feel there are no medicines working for you? Do you feel all the alternative treatments are not working for you in your life? Then definitely you should go for your soul and karmic healing. Doctor can be a friend, but we are the spiritual doctor to ourselves. We are the born spiritual doctors, but somehow we ignore the reality of our capabilities and abilities. Since we bring our own karmic impression, which is why we go through all the bad and good events in our life. If it is good, so we are good. If it is bad, that is the time we need to ask ourselves what is missing in us. Are we really getting connected to our soul? Are we really listening to the soul voice? Or somewhere we have lost the connection and alignment between the physical, astral and causal bodies? Are you going through any stress, tension, anxiety problem? Do you have any relationship problem with your spouse, children or your parents? Is your money stuck anywhere and do you lose money often? Do you feel the negative energy around and which is disturbing you in your life? Are you facing problems in your career or professional life? Is your heart heavy as though something has been kept inside? Do you lose hopes often? Do you feel that you are not self-motivated enough? Do you think things are going wrong without any reasons? Are you not getting married after putting all the efforts? Are you not able to conceive baby after all the medical treatments? Do you have any health issues or depression? Do you feel disconnected from this world or from your own soul? Do you feel suppressed, blocked energies, the emotions are within and you just want to throw them away? Do you want to know your purpose of life and why have you been born here? Or you simply want to get connected to your divine beings? Do you want to get all the answers to your unresolved questions? Yes, you heard it right. If you're seeking the truth of your life, please just think about Healing Heaven Global. Okay, in the workshop, we take you through step-by-step self-realization healing processes. All the powerful masters and angels will come and cure you and your problems from the root cause. I will be just acting as a medium. Okay. If all the karmic impressions and threads can be cut from your life, then you will be released from all the bad karma of your life. To know more about us and Healing Heaven Global, you can just go through all the social media sites. You can also book your full online or offline workshop, or we might create a package deal for you according to your current issues. For you to understand your problem in a deeper level, for me to understand you better, initially we can get connected through online counseling. So now I can say that we are ready to serve you, release all the unwanted energies from your life forever. Thank you. I love you all. Be blessed.